It's 11:30 in the morning. There are over 100 students here in the auditorium. In about 2.5 hours, curtains will rise for Diaspora, voices of an ever-changing America.
Summer came like cinnamon, so sweet.
For our show today for Diaspora, we're doing our hair and makeup, and you can see us in the sequences, and we're doing Stomp and Shake.
Curtains open in like 30 minutes. I am so excited. Y'all don't even know. This is about to be a show for the record books.
It's finally time for all the students to show off months of hard work for this very emotional show.
Sing a song full of...
If you're white, you're all right. You're brown, stick around. But if you're black, get back, get back, get back.
This show went amazing. The energy was fire. The crowd was amazing. And next show, we're just going to bring the hype up. What? Come with even more energy.
Oh, we're just so proud. Our hearts are happy as advisors. And now we're ready for the second show. Let's do this. Yes!
We never cease to reach for the stars, even when we
show like 2 p.m. it was good, they were hyping, they were great. And the 7 p.m. so I went to another level, cause they were so energetic. When I did my fashion show, I couldn't hear myself. They were so loud.
Listen, these students literally shut this stage down, and I am just so proud, so proud.
Diaspora 2025 has now come to a close, and it's a very bittersweet moment. Nevertheless, this will be a very fond memory to look back and reflect on. This is Isaiah Banks for Lincoln Live.